Good morning. Stole my chocolate. Last night I made 19 burritos so that we would have breakfast burritos for breakfast in the morning.
I want a breakfast burrito.
You ready to try it? Too easy.
How much burritos did you make again?
Huh?
19.
I made 19 burritos. My superstar or what? Milo won't even eat one.
Gage and Winston are gonna eat all of them.
You want to slick back?
Yes, please. Because I really want to do like hair slick back, hair down, hair slick back, hair.
Oh, I see.
And it will also kind of be done for the girls. Do I have just nutcracker today?
Yeah. Nutcracker today, tomorrow. We'll have dance every single day.
But
For
not
the next
Saturday.
2. Yeah, not Saturday, Sunday. Look at what Gage drew.
No big deal.
So good.
What you guys know about Beowulf?
Yeah.
Did you get a burrito?
Nice guy.
What's his name?
What? Hi.
Did you fall out of the bed this morning?
Yeah.
Heard it.
You probably heard me punch my alarm.
To darken up those roots a little bit, and I like it a lot more. I just used a 7, so it's just like it's a darker blonde, just neutral, and I just touched up right there around my face. You guys saw just like my roots throughout, just to make it a little more blended. And then I did I foiled this piece to darken that up so that when it laid over top, it was just a little darker, so you couldn't see exactly where I put the foils. So I'm loving that. I feel a little better. I didn't touch up my roots, like I just left this part alone. Like I like that that's a little brighter. I didn't want to touch up the roots there, but yeah, that just feels a little better. It also feels like I didn't color my hair, but I did. It still feels lighter. I just couldn't do it. I liked it. It was fun, but I just felt a little streaky and self-conscious about it, so that's what I did. I think I'll like it better after a few washes when it fades a little bit more. I did want to do a level 8, which is a little lighter than a level 7, and I didn't have one, so I just used what I had. But this is mostly what I was like hating, and I like that. So you can see, like you can still see the blonde, but it's just more subtle now. It's not like the bright blonde, so it just blends a little better up through there. Yeah. We're getting ready right now to go to a family Christmas party. It's my mom's family, so my mom's brothers and sister, they put it together, and Santa's coming. I'm so excited. The only thing that is such a bummer is that it's just going to be me, Finn, and Layla. Everyone else is gone. Rayleigh lives pretty far, and I mean, we are going to Utah, but she still lives pretty far from where my mom lives, and she's coming back next weekend, so she didn't want to travel more this weekend. And then Casey, Gage, and Winston are in Boise for lacrosse stuff. Winston's doing a face-off camp, which is a position he plays in lacrosse, and Gage may or may not be talking to a college coach about possibly going to their school. So very exciting, but I do wish we were all going. I feel like it never happens anymore. I can't remember the last time that we were all like at a Christmas party. We're pretty good to get together for like the big holiday things, but like I guess this would work better if it was on. Last year when we went to this Christmas party, all of my kids were there, but Casey was not in town. So that was nice. But like thinking about when has Casey been there and all the kids, never happens. It's just too busy. And I was thinking about like my nieces and nephews getting older and how it's going to be harder for them to get to things, and you know, it's just sad when that happens. I am not ready for that, when you know, my kids aren't gonna be able to make it to all of like the Butler things that we always go to every year, or to see my parents for their things. I remember when all of my cousins and aunts and uncles were able to make it to the big party like this one that we're going to tonight, and now that just doesn't happen anymore.
Hi.
Hi, sweetest.
I used some of that. I lost another.
Sure. What's Finny doing?
He's just watching Spider-Man.
Layla helped clean the house like a little angel. Santa's probably gonna bring her everything on her Christmas list. And Finn has been running around. So he got into my lipstick. He has lipstick smeared on his face. We'll see if we can get that off before we go to the party. Oh look, here's his bottle. We've been looking for this. I forgot I put it up here because it had lipstick all over it. We've literally been looking for this bottle for 25 minutes at least, maybe longer. Look at this boy. Did you put lipstick on your face? Yeah. Oh, you have orange hands and I have a white shirt on. I made pumpkin bars to take to the party and they just don't look quite right. So I'm like a little stressed out. Oh no. And I let the frosting melt. Oh shoot. We're gonna do a little taste test. So I'm like, should I take them? I don't know. This is not looking great. Should we just eat all of them here? Last time I made them, how long did they last?
2 seconds.
Just with my family.
2
Yeah, about
seconds.
2 seconds. Not gonna lie, I think I ate most of them.
No.
I was letting everyone else take the blame because everyone was like, you ate this many. And I was like, I think that I ate most of them. I just kept taking like little pieces.
I only had 4.
I had about 25 little pieces. Did you get your baba, big boy? You look so handsome. Look at this guy.
Mom,
Okay, what?
everyone thinks on my water bottle it's a mini phone. Which I kind of wish it was, so then I could watch a show during our long drive.
It's so funny. Layla got that water bottle that I talked about, and she loves it. And some of the dance moms and some of her other little friends' moms have messaged me and said, okay, I guess I need the link for this water bottle that Layla's talking about. So I've been like, oh yeah, this is what it is. And they were like, well, Layla had me sold, so I need to get my kids. It just makes me laugh so hard. I think when we work with a brand, we have more information about what we have, and Layla's like so intrigued by that, so she knows all these little details. So then she's just talking about it naturally, and it's just so cute. Okay, you ready to try a pumpkin bar? They look a little weird, but they taste great, so yay. What you got? Whose is this? This is Winston's puppy. That's Winston's puppy. He loves it. He stole it from him last night. Okay, we're gonna go. Are you gonna say hi to Santa? Bye-bye, you want anything for Christmas? This is Santa Claus. Where's Santa? Where's Santa? Where's Santa? You see Santa? Right there. Come here, baby.
I don't know if there's really a line I got formed. It's just kind of...
So cute.